Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Office 2016 Click to Run installation from the Office um, portal. When a user log in to the portal, for example here, let me log into the portal, portal.office.com. So I already logged in. So the user will see this option here, Install Office app. If you want to turn this off, Um, so to prevent user from installing it themselves, you can do that through the Office 365 admin portal. So I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to log off. I'm going to sign out. I'm going to close this tab. I'm going to go to log in with my admin credentials. So in the admin center, you would want to go to settings, service and add-in. Select this one here, Office software download settings. So you're gonna have to turn this off for Windows, for PC, and for Mac if you want to turn off for Mac as well. Mac and click Save. And that's it. Let's go and test it. I'm going to my test machine here. I'm gonna log in. My test account. As you can see, the options to install is no longer there. Um, the user will not be able to install Office programs themselves. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.